Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. So today I have an exponential question here where we are required to find the value of t. 4 power t is equals to 48. So this is an logarithm equation. We're going to introduce log and work out step by step up to the final stage. So for those watching us for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, share. We also have a series of videos of tutorials and a playlist containing our work. So solution: I'll start by quickly introducing the logs on both sides, since I cannot write 48 to the smallest base. So I'll introduce log on both sides of the equations. The next step, using the law of log a power m, then this can come here as m log a. I'll want to use it here so that I'll have t log 4 is equals to log 48. Next, I'll divide everything by log 4, and then I'll have t is equals to, so this and this goes, I'll get log 48 divided by log 4. Well, at that point, I'm dividing some logs, log 48 divided by log 4. So the quickest step that I'll do, I'll write the factors of 48. Factors of 48 as t is equals to log, I can write it as log 3 times 4 squared. I know 4 squared is 16 times 3 is 48 over log 4. So opening the bracket using log, I'll have log 3 is log 3 plus log 4 squared divided by log 4. Next step, I can bring this 2 here using this law, and it will be log 3 plus 2 log 4. Since the denominator is log 4, I can decide to write everything to be log 4 over log 4, should give me t. Well, at this point, I know log 4 and log 4 will cancel, and I will remain with t is equals to log 3 over log 4 plus 2. Well, so guys, remember to subscribe. For those watching us for the first time, leave a comment, share. So I have a law that when I have log a over log b, then this one can be simplified as simply by writing it as log a base b. So this is what is going to guide me here. Applying this, I'm going to have t as log 3 base 4 plus 2. Guys, so this is the value of t that satisfies my equation here, which was 4 power t is equals to log 48. I can go on and prove it. So let me try proving it. 4 power t is equals to 48, and my t, I've gotten it as log 3 base 4 plus 2. So where there is t, I'll substitute that one. So let me see, it will be 4 raised to power log 3 base 4 plus 2 is equals to 48. Since this is a power, I can separate it by multiplication as 4 log 3 base 4 multiplied by 4 raised to 2 is equals to 48. Well, I also have another law that says that when I have the log of a raised to log maybe b base a, since these bases, the base and the base are similar, then this automatically, I've said similar or alike, then automatically tells me that the answer is B. So applying this rule here, I'm going to have 3 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 and see if it is going to give me 48. So 4 squared is 16. If I multiply 3 times 16, it is giving me 48. So hence, I've proved that the value of t for my equation here was log 3 base 4 plus 2. So guys, I've come to the end of this problem. If you're watching for the first time, please share, comment, and the most important thing, subscribe until we meet again. Thank you.